Most people don't fail at making money online because they're lazy. They fail because they quit too early. And I didn't understand that till I tried it myself. Hi guys, this is Akanksha and welcome to Life with Akanksha. Hope you guys are doing good. I am better and I am not spiraling or overthinking. I have managed to keep myself motivated for 2 whole days, so that's a new win for me. Let's get on to the video. If you have ever tried making money online through freelancing, content creation, digital products, AI tools, and nothing really works, you are not alone. But the reason most people don't make money online is not what you think it is. I'm not giving you a motivational speech because most of the days I find it harder to motivate just myself. And this is not one of those videos which will tell you to just work hard. Because I realize that sometimes working hard is the hardest. This is a realistic video about what make people stop trying to earn money online, including me. The first reason I can think of is they try everything at once. Affiliate, freelancing, drop shipping, digital product, YouTube, content creation. When you are just starting, everything looks like an opportunity. It did for me too. So instead to commit to one thing, I wanted to explore everything. But that leads to burnout real fast. And nothing grows in 2 weeks, so I just gave up. Giving up sounds really easy than trying to make efforts. So the second reason, which probably is the most big one, is they expect a fast validation. Everybody wants validation. If you are in a 9 to 5 job, you get your validation in form of a salary, your manager's praises, or some XYZ incentives. But when you're working for yourself, there is nobody else to validate your efforts. And even money does not come too fast, not in a week, not in 2 weeks, not even in a month. So that drains your motivation. Online income is always slow. You work today, you learn, you try to figure out what actually works. So money can't show up immediately. It takes time. And the results don't come fast. That's why self-doubt comes. You know what is faster? Self-doubt. It is the fastest thing ever. Results are never fast. If results were as fast as self-doubt, nobody would ever fail. Self-doubt, you suck. The third reason is most people confuse a tool with strategy. Like new tool, new platform, new features does not give you a clear path. You need a strategy to grow something from zero. If I am today at 50 subscribers, say, I did start from zero to 3 months ago. And tools don't make money for you. You need a clear pathway for that. System make money. So you need a system in place. If you don't have a structure, it's really messy and really difficult to own. The most uncomfortable reason which I can think of is people don't stay long enough for that first ray of hope, your first money. online. Most people quit at, I think this is way harder than I imagined stage. Nobody waits for the first hope, the first output stage. That's why most people quit and don't see any results. And one of the big reason also is people take everything personally. If you're not getting views, it feels like a personal rejection. If you're not getting clients for freelancing, it feels like you are the problem. We are not the problem. The system is a little funky. The system is the problem. We are the good guys here, guys. And honestly, when I first started, and this is not when I first started this channel, it was 5 years back, even 5 years se bhi zyada. When I first started, I was still in college. Even before college also, I tried many things. I genuinely thought if I tried something, it did not give me results, then I am the problem. And I was not good at it. I need to learn more. I need to do this. I need to do that. Blah, 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 blah. I need to quit this right now and focus on something else. I switched directions very soon. I switched paths very soon. Because when you switch the path, motivation again comes and the cycle repeats. You don't get the results, you get demotivated, you switch paths again, and on and on and on. It's a loop. And success is not overnight. It comes in form of small gestures. Then it simmers down, and then you again fall into a spiral. And if you're consistent, maybe you'll get something else again. Success does not come overnight, guys. It comes with clarity, it comes with a path, it comes with consistency. Most people don't make money online because they are looking for income before building competency, before they have a building block to step on to earn money. Online money rewards patience, your consistency, your clarity, you staying put, you walking that difficult path. And none of these things are really easy or glamorous. If you have tried and failed and tried again and failed again, this does not mean you are not meant to earn money online. You will be able to one day. You just need to be consistent. You need to stay in one direction long enough. Online income is not impossible. It is just slower and uncomfortable. And people will quit before the uncomfortable part gets over. If you are trying to make money online and don't want to fall into a hole of hype, subscribe to my channel. I share my journey where I make mistakes and tell you to not make the same mistakes as I am making. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is Akanksha. Like, share, subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram.